Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 coins that could make massive gains by this month. These coins I will be showing you could have a steady uptrend over a period of time if two conditions are fulfilled. The first condition being that Bitcoin would need to make a higher high to confirm an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, and currently the price is struggling at around the $57,000 region. The second condition would be that the Bitcoin dominance would have to trend to the downside so that the price of these altcoins can appreciate to the upside. This is the Bitcoin dominance on the 4-hour time frame. Whenever this Bitcoin dominance continues in a downward trend, this is when altcoins tend to rally. And when altcoins rally, there are massive gains to be made. Now, this is the second condition that has to be fulfilled for the coins I will be mentioning to have massive gains by this month. So once you understand these two conditions, let's go over to the first coin on this list. Right here is Cartesi. Now this is the first operating system on the blockchain, and this helps to bridge the gap between mainstream software and blockchain. And you can do your own research for you to better understand this project. Also keep in mind, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Currently you can see that Cartesi is trading at around $1.02. Most of the coins are in a downtrend because Bitcoin currently is still in a downtrend. So when Bitcoin continues in an uptrend, all these coins are going to pick up, provided that the Bitcoin dominance continues in a downtrend. I hope you really understand these two conditions. Now let's continue. This coin has a max supply of around 1 billion and a circulating supply of around 486 million. Currently, this coin is trading on top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart of Cartesi. This is the price chart on a 4-hour time frame. You would see that the price continues to go sideways, and this shows indecision between buyers and sellers. Now, right here is a common pattern in the Cartesi price chart. If we go back in price, you would see that this same pattern was formed previously when the price went up and started consolidating between a particular region. This went sideways for quite some time, and as you can see, at this particular point, the price was resolved to the upside. This right here is exactly what I am looking for if I want to enter this trade at this particular time. You would see that the price is trading between the $1.1 level and the $0.9 level. This is a range, and if price breaks the $0.9 level, that means the price is going to go down. But if it breaks the $1.1 level, that means there is going to be a massive spike, just like as you see right here. If I go over to the 1-day time frame, you would see right here that the price is still closing candles above the 20 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. Once price breaks this 20 EMA, then the next point of support is the 55 exponential moving average. Now let's go over to the second coin on this list, Harmony. Now this project is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and the use of decentralized applications. Currently, it is trading at around $0.24 with a total supply of around 13 billion and a circulating supply of around 11 billion. Right now, this coin is trading at top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart of this coin. Right here, I am on the 4-hour time frame, and there is something interesting forming in the price chart. You will see right here that there is a potential W right now. As you can see, this is a potential W forming in the price chart, and if this plays out, that means the price is going to go to the upward direction. We can also calculate the price target of this chart formation. If I should draw a line from this region all the way to the top right here, alright, and I take this at the potential point of breakout, you would see that the price of this coin could go all the way to the $0.43 level, which is almost a 2x from the current price. All this is just speculation at this current time because the W pattern has not fully formed in this price chart. As long as the price does not go below this level, then there is a chance of this W pattern playing out. And let me also map out the resistance. The resistance is right here. As you can see, once the price breaks this resistance, there will be a major target all the way to the $0.4 region. So this trade could be a potential 2x in a short period of time. If I zoom out on this price chart, you would see that it has been in a steady uptrend since the month of September, and right now it is basically in a consolidation phase, waiting for confirmation for a potential uptrend. So this is exactly what is forming in this price chart, and this is how I plan to trade this particular coin in this current time. Let's also go over to daily time frame, and you can see that this is a massive uptrend all the way from the $0.05 region. You can see clearly here that there is a support at this particular region, and as long as price closes daily candle above the $0.24 region, then the price could further head to the upward direction. This right here is exactly my trade setup. Now let's go over to the next coin on this list. Right here is Nervous Network, and this project is an open source public blockchain ecosystem, and currently it is trading at around $0.029. with a maximum supply of around 34 billion and a circulating supply of around 28 billion. Currently, the coin is trading at around these top exchanges, and right now let's go over to the price chart. This is the price chart of Nevers network, and right now the price is currently testing the 20 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. The price has to maintain above this 20 exponential moving average for the price to remain in an uptrend. If I scroll out, you will see that the price has been in a steady uptrend, and when it goes to the upside, notice that the price always comes down to the 20 exponential moving average. It consolidates at around this region and makes another leg to the upside. This has been happening over a period of time, and remember, the trend is always your friend. So right now I have to follow the trend, and the trend is to the upside. Once the price comes back down to the 20 exponential moving average, it's a good time to buy in my own opinion. Right now at the current time, I am going to be placing my buy order at this particular region for a potential massive spike to the upside, just as the previous candles before it, as you can see right here and also right here. And I will place my stop loss at the previous candlestick low. Right here is where I'll put my stop loss at this particular level at the $0.25 region, and my take profit will be from the swing high to swing low. You will see that the first take profit has been met at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level at a price of $0.03. My second take profit will be at around the 2.618 region, that is at a price of $0.042. At this region is exactly where I'll take my profit if I should place a trade at the current price. Now let's go over to the next coin on this list. Right here is Mina. Now this project is building a gateway between the real world and crypto, and currently it is trading at around $4.45 with a total supply of around 824 million and a circulating supply of around 309 million. Currently this coin is trading on top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart where I show you my potential trade setup. Right here is the price chart of Mina, and you can see that the price has been going sideways with an average price of around $4.4. At this moment would be a reasonable time for me to enter in on this coin. And if you want to trade this, be aware of the potential support at this particular region. So once the price breaks this support on the daily time frame, then the price will further head lower to this particular level. So you should be aware of this price point before entering a trade. For me, I really like this project. They claim to be the world's lightest blockchain, and this is a coin that I would really like to buy for potential gains over a period of time. But if this coin decides to break to the downside, I would cut my losses and move over to the next coin. Because all the coins I am mentioning in this video are basically for gains. If it continues to crash to the downside, I would exit my position and move over to the next coin. With that said, let's go over to the next coin on this list. Right here is Rarible. This project is a NFT marketplace and issuance platform, and currently the price is trading at around $20 with a total supply of around 25 million and a circulating supply of around 5.3 million. Currently, this coin is trading on top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart. Right here is the price chart of this coin on the daily time frame. The price is going sideways and consolidating between a range. On this coin, the average price is at around $20. The reason why I am picking this kind of coins is because it is easier for me to trade. You need to know your validations in your trades. Now, when I look at this price chart, I can easily spot out my potential support level, and when this level is broken, then I would cut my losses. And also, I can spot out my potential uptrend confirmation. When the price breaks above the $24 region, this is when there is confirmation of a potential uptrend. The easier way to do this is to wait for price confirmation above the $2.4 region. And when the price breaks above this level, then the price would continue in an uptrend. But if the price breaks the downside at around the $70 region, this is where I would cut my losses and exit this trade. This is a very easy setup, and this is one of the reasons I trade coins that are basically going sideways over a period of time. Because soon after, there would be a resolution, either to the upside or to the downside. And if I want to take a maximum risk based on the fundamental of each project, I would enter before the breakout. Keep in mind that this is a very risky strategy, and you should always backtest your strategy before using it on any trade. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a like and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.